So now that the year is over, today, December 29, is the last day of trading for 2023. You're going to have lots of people, bragging or talking about their returns. Oh, I beat the market, or I didn't beat the market, or blah, 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 blah. For me, I don't know what my returns are. The last 2 years have been absolutely horrible. The main stock that performed well for me so far is Aduro. And Aduro closed at 133 Canadian today. And in the US, it closed at 101. I think $1 is a very important psychological point. And so if I look at from the bottom of May 2022, the stock is up 166%. And, of course, Oracle and Voxtur are down hugely. But I honestly don't know what my returns are. I never count them. I don't know what the S&P did. I don't know what the Dow did. I don't know what the market did. I don't care what the market did. I used to track my performance, and it wasn't healthy for me, because when you track your performance and you constantly compare yourself to the market, it's very stressful, especially when you work for somebody, right? Especially when you manage money for people. Every quarter you have to explain why you beat or didn't beat the market. Because if you didn't beat the market, well, why am I paying you to manage my money, right? I can just invest in the market. You don't have a long-term outlook, because you only get rewarded or punished for beating or not beating the market. So if that's the case, you only look at things short term, 3 inches in front of your face. You can't afford to have a 5-year outlook. You just can't. The business doesn't allow you to. And if you do, well, you're not going to do well in that business, right? So when I stopped measuring my performance, that pressure completely went away. Because why am I investing? Am I investing so that I can come out and say, look at me, look at how smart I am. I beat the market, so therefore you should invest with me. You should put money into my hedge fund or mutual fund or whatever. No, I don't manage money. So why should I track my performance? I don't care. I'm not here to impress you. I'm investing because what I want is to build or to have a portfolio big enough is so that I am financially independent, so that my portfolio or my capital or my money, however you want to put it, makes me free, generates me money I can live on. I don't have to worry about bills. That's why I'm doing it. Not because I want to compare myself. Oh, did I beat the S&P 500? Did I beat this index or that index? Or am I the best? I don't care. Maybe you do. I don't care. And I never measure it anymore. Like if my stocks, over time perform well and I accumulate a position and I, build long-term wealth, that's all that matters to me. So it will be interesting to see how I have a feeling that these small cap stocks are just going to rip like crazy. And I think Aduro is just the first one, right? We are on vacation and Aduro is ripping. There's no news. Why? Well, it's been ignored for so long, and apparently the company is on the road presenting to investors. So now maybe big money will want to come in. You see, you guys are lucky. You guys are lucky, and some of you have no idea what you have with something like Aduro. And now the story is being presented to big money, and they're not as spoiled as some of you are. They're not. They're like, oh my goodness, this is the best thing I've seen since sliced bread was invented. Yeah, because it is. But you know, the microcap stocks have been in the worst downturn in 25 years. We'll see what's going to happen in 2024 when the money has to come back to the market from the sidelines. The Fed cuts interest rates. The sellers are gone. Buckle up.